CPEC projects, and I see that there are 8 energy projects already completed and 9 are currently under execution. If you just look at phase 1, so far we had an investment of $12.5 billion in CPEC. And currently under execution are projects of another $14 billion. And when we go into phase 2, the direction is very clear. We are going to reduce our burden on the loans. Rather, we are going into a mode of business-to-business cooperation with the Chinese firms. We are looking at foreign development, foreign direct investment. We are looking at individual companies and entrepreneurs to come into Pakistan and partnering with Pakistani businesses and business houses. And the CPEC authority, along with the help of our brother who happens to be very popular here because of his enterprise and hard work, the Ambassador Excellency Yao Jing, that the companies are coming together. We are connecting the companies amongst themselves. We have a new business council which will be announced very soon, all from the private sector. And the cooperation in the coming days between the companies will increase manifold. And this is how we are all set to launch a phase 2 in a deliberate, prepared manner, in an institutionalized manner, with full consciousness of transparency. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me also give you another good news. And the news is that we are going into revamp of machine tool factories also with the same management that have taken the task of revamping heavy mechanical complex. I think it is time for optimism and hope. The organizations like Heavy Mechanical Complex have taken lead, and we see a lot of activity under the banner of CPEC in the coming days. We know there are detractors. We know there are people who keep throwing spanners, trying to spin that the CPEC probably is being relegated or it has slowed down. I tell you, there is a lot of groundwork which has gone in these months, and you will see the projects happening on ground in the coming days. I'm thankful to all of you for providing us this opportunity. I am grateful to all our friends from China, and I'm especially thankful to Her Excellency Madam Nagmana Hashmi for taking all the pain to putting today's ceremony together there in Beijing, and Heavy Mechanical Complex